Hello guys, my name is Michael, nice to meet you, and I am a quality assurance and a software developer. And today I will show you how we can create a simple test using Selenium WebDriver. Okay, but before I continue, let me just turn off my camera here. And okay, here we go. In this case, I use Selenium to automation these steps. The first step is Selenium will be open this page, click in this menu, and click in this option and type this information, is like a new browser, for example. And then I use to Selenium, or in this case I use JUnit for compare this information. I type here and then I expect this information. Okay. Now let me show you the code here. Here it's I'm using STS. It's a Maven project. Here you can see the POM XML here, and I have some files here. This is the file. Config.properties is the file that I use to just map in my URL localhost where I can find WebDriver, or we can put more. But in this case, it's very simple because they just the idea here just show you how we can execute a simple test using Selenium WebDriver. Okay, in here this file, it's this file config reader, this file or this class will reader this file here. Okay, and then in this class driver factory, this is necessary for a create instance for my WebDrivers. And here I'm using this class for mapping my object. In this case, I decide to just this is called page object. Here I'm using this class for mapping my IDs. These IDs they came from here. Okay, here. If you see here, this ID is the same with this. Okay. And then I mapping, and then I have this method here. It's click link and type. This method represent this action. Then I click here. Okay. Now let me just come back here, and the other class they are the same but different pages. Here in this class automation test, I create my test. This is a simple test. The name of the test is should display correct module value. Okay, in this case I'm using sleep, but just for show you how it's work, because if I don't put this, will be very fast and hard to see in execution. And here I just in step by step I just creating I'm putting some code here, for example here. And when I execute this code will just create an instance from with this page here, and then I'll start to click in here automation and type here. In this case I will just input here, and then I will compare what I expected. I expected this value. Okay, and after I type this value, I expected this value. Okay, let me show this in production or just in execution. Give me a second. I will just click here, run. This case I select that one. Then let's see in execution. Okay, open, clicking and type, then that's it, guys. Thank you. Let me just open my camera again. Guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your time. I expect you liked this video, and it was a pleasure. Bye bye.